For Ben tonight.
And I'm Tina Shaw. Thank you for joining us. Our top story tonight, double murderer Alex Murdaugh was back in court today for the first time in 2 years as his second murder trial began taking shape.
The judge set a tentative trial date of April 5th of next year while hearing several pre-trial issues at the same time. One of the biggest decisions today involved Murdaugh's request for a personal laptop to review evidence while in prison.
Be with him. His concern was having a laptop in his cell. And no other inmate has a laptop in their cell.
The judge said after speaking with the prison warden, the judge denied that request. The defense also objected to Murdaugh appearing in court shackled, arguing that potential jurors could see him that way and it might sway their decision down the line. Prosecutors responded that all inmates appear in court under the same policy. Another key issue, DNA found under Maggie Murdaugh's fingernails. Investigators say it didn't belong to Alex Murdaugh, but to another man. The judge didn't rule on whether the defense can further explore that evidence. Instead, they tabled the issue for a later date.
Ultimately, there's absolutely no evidence that Maggie Murdaugh was in a struggle with anyone, that she had any sort of defensive wounds, that she was scratched by any sort of attacker. And we also know that it's very common with how sensitive touch DNA is. We're constantly shedding DNA and picking up DNA from others by shaking hands and doorknobs and all the rest of it. So, this is a bit of a red herring.
There was a shell casing under Maggie Murdaugh's body from the gun that killed her. I mean, that shell casing and that gun had to be in very close proximity. Maggie Murdaugh's cell phone was missing from the crime scene. Was DNA transferred at that point in time? And so...
Now, discussion about moving the trial out of Colleton County also put on hold, though both sides indicated that they agree a new venue may help ensure a fair trial. The next hearing is scheduled for August 14th. Of course, we've been following this since day one. To see our previous coverage and some key details about the case now, just go to WSAV.com/Murdaugh.
Following up now in Bullock